Good day, disciples. So today we will be dealing with Theorem of Pythagoras. So this is a very easy but tricky topic. So we're gonna do it. So now let's say, for example, we have a right angle triangle. Adjacent side, let's say they told us is 3 centimeter. Opposite side 3 centimeter. Hypotenuse side is 3 centimeter. So now, how do you find the missing side, which is the hypotenuse side? Remember, here we're gonna do it like this. So it's gonna be 3 squared. So now 3 squared is for the adjacent side. So now remember, the adjacent side we know it as x, and opposite side is y, and the hypotenuse side we usually name it r. So we just gonna do it like this: 3 squared, which is equals to 9, plus 4 squared, which is equals to 16, and we're gonna do r squared. So now, because of r is squared, so whenever we find the answer here of the sum, we have to root it, square root this answer, square root this answer. And you know, whenever we square root an exponent that is squared, it will remove the square root, and we're just gonna be left with r. And here, square root of 25, it will give us 5. So remember, it's either plus or minus, so we're just gonna say it's plus 5 centimeters, because of the hypotenuse side is always positive. So this is how we do it. So second of all, how do we know which side is the opposite side whenever it is not in this way or format? So remember, the way we see or identify the opposite side is that the opposite side is always opposite of, it's the side facing the theta or the angle. So now, whenever we have theta here on the side that is opposite or facing the theta, it will be the opposite side. So now, if let's say, for example, your theta is up there, so which side will be the opposite side? This side here will be the opposite side, because of it is facing the theta, and the side that is perpendicular to it, it is the adjacent side always, and the longest side, it is the hypotenuse side. So this is how we do Theorem of Pythagoras. Very easy. Cheers.